In this video, I'll show you how to use casino bonus in Megapari. This is very simple. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you create an account and you create a casino bonus, to see it, the first option is to go over to promotions here. For you to reach promotions, you have to go over to menu, click order, and then you click promotions. That is not promotion. So go over to not promotions. And you're going to see a various promotions here. So you can click promotion participation and you see the various promotions that are activated. Me, I have the deposit option activated, and then there is a bonus for casino. So if the bonus type is changed, the bonus balance resets to 0. So if you claim the bonus for casino here, you are going to see it here as active. That means you are going to receive a welcome bonus for making a deposit. So anytime you deposit, you're going to receive a bonus and you can use that to play casino.